Hello everyone, you welcome back to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to um, clean our the oil sump for the first straight sewing machine, and also to change the oil probably if there is need for that. So let's get started. So I'm going to loosen up the machine. So it's going to rest on the stand. See the inside of my machine. So I'm going to be cleaning it first. Then drain the oil, clean the inside, then return it because I think the oil is not bad, it's not dirty. Just drain it, allow it to settle, return it, and now top it because it's getting low. There's a bolt here, that's the drain nut. This is a drain nut, so I'm going to be loosening it up. Then put a container. I'm going to put in this one under and drain the oil inside. Yeah, it's already draining. Now, can you see what I'm talking about? That the oil is not dirty. So I'll just allow it settle down a bit. The oil is not too dirty. So I'm going to allow it settle down a bit, clean the sump, return it, and now top it up so I can get to the normal level it should get to in the machine. So don't waste your oil. Just keep it, allow it so I can settle down. Allow it settle down, then you sieve it back to the machine. Now I've been able to clean it properly. So I'll return this knot. I'll screw it back. Then allow the oil to settle down. Fit it back to the machine and top it up. Please make sure you tighten it very well so that your oil will not be leaking. So the oil has completely settled down. I'm going to return it back to the machine and I'll top it up in case it did not gauge. So now that I've returned the oil that we drained back to the machine, so see the down part, very dirty. So make sure that you always check your oil sump to be sure that you clean all the dirt inside. Although there is a filter here that helps you to prevent any dirt from going into the machine, but notwithstanding, in order not to stress this filter, do your normal routine check. Check the oil sump to know the condition of the oil that is there. If it's not neat, drain it out. If it's too dark, if it's too dirty, change it. If it's not dirty like my own, drain it out, clean the sump, allow it to settle down, and return it. Then like this one now is not in high, is in low, so I have to add more to make it gauge to be at the normal level. Don't forget, this is what is making money for you. You must take care of it to avoid it to break down, so you'll not be spending money for mechanic. Thank you so much. So that is the essence of us doing this. Oh, I have my oil. I'm going to put it. And so with this now, I don't have to add more. This is okay now. I have to open that one. Then can return your machine. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.